Good day everyone. Good day everyone. I'd like to welcome each and every one of you guys to my channel. For those who are still new guys, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you can be notified when we post another content guys. Today's lesson, we were still focusing on computerized financial system info guys. What you call the CFS info today. So I'll be teaching you how to process your tax invoices guys, and which information you should look for guys. And bear in mind guys, before you can even start with your tax invoices, please go to your instruction on your question paper guys. They will direct you and tell you how your tax invoices should look, should they have a message, things like that guys. So we can start by looking at the question paper. As you can see, this question paper was written on the 20 November 2019 guys. It's still 3 hours guys. So today I'll be showing you how you can tackle the question paper, focusing on your tax invoices guys. Do not look any information when you doing your tax invoices. Just look for your instruction or information that will affect your tax invoices guys. So this is our cover page. Let's go to the instruction of the tax invoices guys. These are the first one guys. We are on page 7, additional parameter setup guys, but we only gonna focus on the information that will affect our tax invoices guys. And bear in mind guys, there are two notes guys. There's a debit note and a credit note guys. A debit note, it affects your supplier's invoices guys. A credit note will affect your customer tax invoices guys. So at bullet number 2, it says the input of tax invoices should start with TI1 guys. They say our tax invoices should start with TI1. And bullet number 3 doesn't affect us. Bullet number 3 doesn't affect us. Bullet number 4 doesn't. Bullet number 5 it doesn't. The last bullet number 6. If there is no early terms for a specific invoice, create/add a new term guys. So I'm gonna start by going to setup and going to this bullet number 2, where they say our tax invoices should start with TI1 guys. That's what we were doing, because that's the only bullet that's gonna affect our tax invoices guys. Let's go to our system. Bear in mind we're using Sage 50 Cent Pastel Partner guys. Make sure that you on the right system guys. Okay, let's open our company. If you still remember, we're using a company called Offstart guys. Click open, then is your password. Okay, customers now our guys, as you can see. So like I've said, we need to set up this bullet number 2 that says our tax invoices should start with TI1. You go to setup guys, setup, customers, documents guys. Still the same password you use when you are opening your company. Okay, as you can see, these are the quotations, sales orders, and invoices. Sure. Hola. Okay, as you can see, this page is all open guys. This is a quotation, as you can see on top. These are your sales orders, these are your invoices, these are your credit note and debit note and your receipt guys. But for this guys, we supposed to install this bullet number 2. Let me go back to the question. This bullet number 2, where it says the input of text invoices should start with TI1, guys. So we'll be focusing on your text invoices. As you can see, the original name is text invoices, guys. So you come here and put your TI1, guys. TI1. That's us telling the system that the first invoices we're going to process is gonna say TI1, guys. Then it's gonna put you in TI2. If let's say we're doing like, if let's say we're gonna process like 6 text invoices, your last number is gonna say TI16, guys. So you click OK. That's because that's the only bullet we have, guys. And also bear in mind, guys, even the question paper that we're working on right now, guys, it can say that a customer 123, you need to add, guys. Remember, if you can go back to my previous video, there's a video where I was showing you how to add a customer, add a supplier, add an inventory, guys. So when you see a bullet on your question paper that says add a customer so and so, you just do what I was showing you, guys. Go to edit customers and you add your customer. If it's suppliers, you go to edit. If it's inventory, you go to edit still, guys, and add your inventory, guys. So I'm not gonna add any customer today because in the back of my mind I know that if you are watching this, that means you know how to add your customer, add your supplier, add your inventory, guys. So we're not gonna add any customer. Okay, here will be. Okay, we're done with bullet number 2, guys. Let's go to the information of our text invoices, which is on page 10. As you can see on top, it says stock sales, guys. Stock sales are text invoices, guys. When you see a bullet, let's say telling you that let's say for example trading stock on sale, if you can see sale, it means it was sold, guys. So we sold this to our customers, guys. Okay, bullet number 1, it says company Z99 is used for all cash sales transactions, guys. So if let's say there's a customer who bought on cash, customer invoice number, you need to use Z9. That's the account, guys. Number 2, cash sales, customer receive 10% discount on all packages, guys. A customer, if there's a customer who bought on cash, guys, you need to give that customer a 10% discount on all packages, guys. Bullet number 3, the name and the address of all cash customers must be indicated on the document. Use the delivery address field. Bullet number 4, message for cash transaction, cash sales, 6 to 8 August 2018, guys. See, we just did your customer text invoices next number, guys. So they say, bullet number 4, they say we need to put this message, but only to those customers who bought on cash, guys. Only. They will tell you this customer bought on cash, this customer bought on credit, guys. And how do you see if a customer bought on cash? As you can see here, this is the information of our text invoices, guys. Let's hope you see my cursor. Then there's this customer number 1. You can see it's a new customer. Number 2, credit distributors and limb credit store. This one here. As you can see under terms here, it says cash sales. Or sometimes they can even remove these cash sales, and under your term there's nothing, guys. Then you need to know that this customer is the one who bought on cash, guys. How? As you can see, all the customers here, they have terms like 15 days, within 7 days, guys. It means if this customer pays within 15 days, we're gonna give this customer a 15% discount, guys. Already this Payly Distributors is a customer paid by, he or she have a trading discount. If Payly Distributors buy stock from us, we're gonna give a 5% discount, even though he might not or she might not pay within 15 days. He or she still have this 5% discount, guys. But if Payly Distributors pay within 15 days, we're gonna give Payly Distributors an additional discount of 15%, guys. But here, as you can see, there are no terms. It means this customer didn't take any stock on credit. He or she just bought on cash. That's why, guys. They said every cash transaction we need to give this customer a 10% discount and also include a message that says cash sales 6 to 8 August 2018, guys. So this message will only apply to this text invoices number 3, the one on 15/07/2018 only. Then this one, the first one, second one, and the last one, guys, they don't have a message, guys. But they do have a term discount, not a trade discount, guys. Only this new one, it does have a trade discount, as you can see on top, guys. Okay, I'm gonna start with this one, the first one, the new customer, guys. But before, as you can see, there's a number that is highlighted on black. It says 3, guys. Then we need to go down here and read this information about this new customer. Okay, Off Stationery decided to sell a new. Oh, sorry, my bad. Let's start afresh. Off Stationery decided to sell to a new credit customer, namely Linkston Stores. Code is C003. The contact person is Rita Davis, whatever. She contacted at root at. Okay, this is the email address of the person we need to contact. Telephone number, the postal address, cell phone number, credit limit, VAT number. Offstart Stationery will allow 7% discount within 10 days. We're gonna give this customer if he or she pays within 10 days. But still, this customer have a trade discount. If he pays within 10 days, we're gonna give him a additional 7.5 discount, guys. Like I've said, I'm not gonna add a customer. But I'll still tell you where to go. Okay, let's go to the system. Bear in mind, I haven't processed any text invoices. For adding a supplier and a customer, you go here, add, as you can see, customer, then you go to account. You put all the information for a supplier, account, there you put the information. Inventory, you go and edit inventory, item file, you put the information, guys. So I've assumed that we already have this customer on the system, guys, just because you know how to add a customer. Okay, let's go to process customers. I'm now processing your first text invoices, guys. Let's go to question paper, which is this new customer. This customer have a 5% discount and a 7.5 discount within 10 days, guys. Very nice. Okay, this is our system, as you can see. Go here. Where's TI1? Let's start. Okay, as you can see, our text invoices start with TI1, guys. The name of the customer. Okay, cool. Yes. Okay, bear in mind I've already did this, so let me just delete each and everything and start everything afresh. And start everything afresh, guys. Sorry. This might not take me. Okay. Slide. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, to the channel and click the notification bell because I'll be posting a lot of stuff focusing on what on CFS. I'm gonna do a CFS N4 and 5 and 6, guys. So do tell others to come to the channel so they can revise, guys, because some of you don't have the system at home, so I know it's very difficult for you to remember stuff. So this channel will help you to remember stuff, guys. So please do tell others to come here, guys. Okay. Okay, let's go to the question paper. This said, guys, this is our what we're doing. Lakestone stores. Lakestone stores, guys. This customer bought on credit, guys. So we're not gonna use this account Z99 because this customer bought on credit. The only customer who bought on cash is this one. The one that's written case as only. There's three the bottom credit, guys. So let's go to system and process the first one. The first one, Langston stores. Langston stores. Okay, you press enter. You come here, guys, to find the customer here. Then whatever customer you're working on, you click. Then you press enter. Guys, okay. This is the address of the customer. Then you go press tab. Tab is easy to move around tab, guys. As you can see, this date is highlighted, guys. We go to the question paper and press 0507 2018. You just do not delete or break backspace, just type, guys, 0507 2018. As you can see, the date is now there, guys. So we go back to the paper. That's it, guys. For this customer, we need to use a code called C003. This code you're gonna put it here. Is there customer reference, guys. It makes it easy for us to find this customer with this code reference. Remember, this customer got a 5% discount, guys. Also a 7.5 discount within 10 days. Okay. For a trade discount, that's where you put your trade discount. That's 5%, right? Then your terms, you go here under terms, guys. Then you open this. Then they said we're gonna pay 7.5 within 10 days. This is the first one. Remember, if there are no terms, guys, you can go to modify and install whatever terms you're working on. This is a discount percentage. This is a date, guys. Then you're gonna say 7.5 and 10 days. Then you click OK, guys. Then the term will appear here, guys. Okay. As you can see, we have our terms. Okay. Let's go back to the question paper and see. We have sold 1 trimmer, 3 highlighters, and 5 staples, guys. Okay. 1 trimmer, 3 highlighters. Okay, as you can see, click here to find the inventory, guys, or the stock, or the trading stock, if you want to call it, but we now call it an inventory, guys. So we have sold 1 trimmer. Okay, still loading. This is our inventory, guys. It's still the inventory you added, guys. If you now know how to add your inventory, then all your inventories will appear here. Then you click and press. Then you just press tab. As you can see, this is the code of the inventory. This is the description. Okay, we sold 1, guys. Then press tab. Make sure, guys, that your text is selected, which is we're using a VAT standard rate of, it can be, oh, it's 40% for now, but our current VAT is 15%, guys. So select that, go to your question paper. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, Number two is what is 3 months and 5 staples. Then you can press tab, 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 tab. Which one? Oh, highlighters, I think. Huh? Let me see. Highlighters, 5 highlighters. That's 2 highlighters, guys. Okay. Let me press tab. Same thing. Tab, tab, tab. 3. Then press tab, 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 tab. 5 staples. Then select. Then press enter. Then tab, tab, tab. Is 5. As you can see, guys. This is our first tax invoices, guys. You just print this thing, guys. Just print. You can use this print document, guys. You just print this. We're done with our first tax invoices, guys. Just print. When you're writing, just please print before you can proceed to your next one, guys. Please print. Obviously, yours will say a printout. Let's say you print off your school here, guys. Then you press OK. Then it will print this invoice. They're gonna distribute this invoices to your desk, guys. But only if your company parameters are set correctly, guys. Remember, you go to set up company parameters. That's where you add your details. They can ask you to install your ID number, your surname or initials, or even your exam number, guys. Please pay attention to your question paper, because like the second page, I think they're gonna tell you how to set your company parameters, guys. But that's the only thing they're gonna tell you. To add your customer, they won't tell you, guys. So you need to know your question paper. Do not rely on the examiner telling you how to install your company parameters, because sometimes they might not even add that information, guys. So please do know what you're doing, guys. Okay, we assume print this document. This will disappear, guys, as you can see. Then you go to the question paper, proceed to our next tax invoices, which is penalty distributors, guys. As you can see, we have terms and discount and the date and your inventory, guys. Okay, that's something you did, guys. But bear in mind, this will say TI2, guys, when you proceed. It says TI5 because I already have a TI2, guys, as you can see. Okay, let me open this. I'm sure. Press tab. Okay, continue editing, as you can see, guys. See, guys, I'm not gonna delete anything, but I'm gonna show you what I did. You go to your question paper, as you can see, guys. Name, date, terms, and inventory, guys. I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna delete anything, guys. Here it's supposed to say a address, but if a customer doesn't have an address, it's still fine. Okay, press tab, guys. Tab, 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 tab. Then go into date. This is your date, 10/07/2018. 10/07/2018, guys. Okay, this customer doesn't have a reference, guys, but you can use this thing, CO2. That's the code of the customer, guys. You can use the code C002, guys. Okay, and the first tab, this is your way. That's where you put your discount, guys. This is where you put your terms, guys. Okay, and the first tab. Then, still like we did to the previous one, that's where you get your inventory. Select whatever inventory you want, then you click enter, then you press tab, 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 tab. You install your quantity. If it's 5, 5. If it's 4, it's 4, guys. Then do the same thing. Do the same thing. Tab, 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 tab. This is your career, guys. You still get your career under this thing. Click, and you see a career course. Then you see career course. Enter. Then press tab, tab, tab. Tab 1. As you can see, okay, cool. For this one, I'll do, guys. Let me show you something. They said career cost is 52 km, guys. Let's go to our inventory, guys. I want to show you something. Okay, this is our inventory. Guys, as you can see, the courier cost, guys, per kilometer, it cost us 4 Rand 50. Okay, take note of that, guys. Okay, they say our courier cost is 52 km, guys. Come here, and under here, guys, you can write whatever they said you need to install. If they say 40 km, you're gonna write 40, guys, and press tab. Okay, or you can write, okay, or you can do this, guys. Write 40 km, guys, then press tab. But for this, let's say 52, right? 52 km, right? Kilometers. It's fine. Doesn't matter of the quantity, but you can also okay. Let's say per 1 kilometer. Okay, let's say this one. What? 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer. Okay. Go back to the question paper of the inventory. Right. Let me show you something. Okay, cool. Under unit, guys. Let's say per kilometer. Okay. Kilometer. I'll show you guys. Okay. Then you go to your system. Under here, guys, it's supposed to write per kilometer. Okay. Per. Supposed to write per slash km. Per kilometer, guys. Per kilometer. Okay. You can even. Okay, let's delete this line, guys, because it will confuse you. Delete that line. Let's delete that. Here, quantity they say is what 52, guys. What 52. Then press tab, guys. Remember, each kilometer costs us 450, guys. So 450 times 52, you get 234, guys. So please don't be confused. Then you print this, then you process to another one, guys. Same thing, print. Okay, cool. Doesn't matter. Let's go to the next document, which is we're gonna process another text invoices, guys. Guys, these things are the same. These things are the same. What we did on the first text invoices is what you do on the second, on your third, even your fourth, guys. Please don't get confused. Like, you only did the first one, but you didn't do the second one. It's like me repeating the same thing I did on the first one, guys. The only thing that's gonna change is your name of your customer and the date and your terms, even your inventory. But guys, you know where to get your inventory. You know where to put your discount and your trade discount, even the date, even the name of the customer, guys. So it's very like I'm gonna make this video long. So if let's say I keep on doing the first one, like everything, guys. Now I'm gonna do this thing 1, 2, and the last one, guys, the same. This one it is different because there is a message for this invoice. There is a discount, but it's not written under your terms, guys. So this one and to the rest of the text invoices they might be different, but the only difference is like is a small difference, guys. So if you can be able to record a cash sale transaction and a credit one, guys, you can get your total amount of your text invoices, guys. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. This is a cash sales transaction, guys. Okay, over here we're printing the previous one, guys. Okay. Okay, let the information. Then first, this is the address of the customer, guys. This is a date, as you can see. Okay, cool. But the bullet number 1 and 2, they're gonna affect our text invoices, guys, because let's say car account Z99 is used for all cash transaction, guys. So this is a cash transaction, guys, as you can see. Bullet number 2, let's say cash says customer receive a 10% cash discount on all purchases, guys. Bullet number 4, message for cash transaction cash 6 to 8 August 2018, guys. I might be fast to some. might be like, some might get me, but some might not get me, guys. So I'm gonna do a bullet by bullet, guys. So let's start by opening a text invoice for this customer. Go here, find the customer, which is our what? Limston Trade Acquest, guys. You can press. Bear in mind, this is the account for the customer, Z99, and what's up, guys? The date is already just because the customer, we did add the customer and put the date when we adding a customer, guys. So it doesn't, you don't have to put the address, but you can put the address if the address, you didn't put the address when you were adding this customer, guys. But just because I did the correct thing, as you can see, when I press tab, the address will automatically appear here, guys. Okay, press tab, 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 tab. Bear in mind the period is period 1, guys. Maybe your system might say period 12, but please do correct by clicking this, then just open it to the right period, guys. Okay, let's go to date. Our date is 15/07/2018, guys. Then press tab, 15/07/2018, guys. Our customer reference is Z99, just because they say account Z99 is used for cash sale transaction, guys. So here you put Z99, guys. Our discount is how much? Is set 10% discount. There are no terms, guys, because this customer paid on cash. Okay, this is the 10% discount, guys. Please don't get confused. It's bullet number 2. Let's say cash transaction customer receive a 10% discount. So do not get confused. That where did he get this 10% discount? So it's this one, guys. A message. You put your message here. Cash sales is 6 to 8 August, sorry, 2018. This is bullet number 4. Okay, let's proceed with our first inventory. We have 2 post sticks, 2 rulers, 4 trimmers, and a courier cost, guys, of 25 kilometers. 224, guys. So that's like you. The first thing you did, guys. Here, as you can see, you say you find your inventory. They said how many post sticks we have. Okay, post we have tab. Okay, press tab, tab, tab. We have 2 post sticks. You press tab, guys. The price doesn't matter, guys. Automatically, the system will put the price, guys. So we have 2 rulers, 4 trimmers. Okay, 2 rulers. Fine. The ruler. The ruler is the first one. Sorry. Ruler. Tab, 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 tab. Press 2. Now you find forward for 3 months. Show forward for 3 months. Yeah, come on, correct. For 3 months. Tab, 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 tab is for quantity. And the last one is courier cost, guys. Let's say our courier cost is 25 kilometers. Press tab, tab, tab. Then you write your 25 kilometers, guys. Here, under quantity, not under unit, guys. Okay. Then, okay. Then, guys, when you done with this, you can print your what? Document, guys. So that's when you know that you're done with your text invoice, guys. Okay. Press a that's gonna print, guys. Reload this. Okay, let me show you. Okay, guys. As you can see, guys, it's easy for you to get this 18, 8, and 81 for text invoices, guys. For those 4 text invoices, guys, you get 81 marks, guys. Then 6 for a credit note, guys. Which is a credit note. I'm gonna do it on another video, guys. For this one, I did only your text invoices, guys. Sorry. For your 10 invoices, guys. For those who are still new, guys, please subscribe to the channel, guys, as it's gonna help you guys to memorize, revise, and remember, guys, what you were doing in class. So please subscribe and click the notification bell, guys, so you won't miss any content I post, guys. Thank you very much, guys.